Hello to everybody. It's time for a song. It's time for a story. But firstly, the song. Let's listen to a song and let's discover what the story is about. Ready, steady, and go!
Hey, let's look out the window and see what the weather's like today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. What's the weather like today? Ooh, what's that sound? Look at the trees. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy. Look, it's windy, everyone. Fly a kite, fly a kite, fly a kite, everyone. What's that sound? We're gonna get wet. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy. Look, it's rainy, everyone. Jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, everyone. Oh, look, it's starting to clear up. Clouds are going away. Look, it's sunny. Look, it's sunny. Look, it's sunny, everyone. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming, everyone. Oh, it's so cold. What's that coming out of the sky? Look, it's snowy. Look, it's snowy. Look, it's snowy, everyone. Catch a snowflake. Catch a snowflake. Catch a snowflake on your tongue. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? All together, all together. What's the weather like today?
And now, let's think. What's the story about considering the song? The question in the song was, what's the weather like today? Then, the story is about, yes, about weather. And weather, the weather can be a lot of things. Because, look, you've got here in the picture a sun, a yellow sun, a bright yellow sun, and water, drops of water falling, and a snowflake, a white snowflake, a cold snowflake, and a cloud, a gray cloud, and look, this cloud is blowing. Then let's review. When you see a sun, a yellow sun, a bright yellow sun, you can say, what's the weather like today? It's sunny. Repeat with me. It's sunny. And when you see a cloud with drops of water falling and you feel them on your skin because you get wet, then you can say, oh, look, it's raining. I need my umbrella because it's raining. Yes. And when it's very cold because it's winter and you can see snowflakes falling, cold snowflakes, you can say, it's snowing. And if you see a lot of clouds, a lot of gray clouds, you can say, it's cloudy. When your hair is moving because it's windy, then it's the perfect day to fly your kite, remember. And so, the weather changes a lot because it's sometimes can be snowing, sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining. Whoa, what a fuss! And now, let's guess the title. The title of the story, the perfect title of the story. Let's think. My inside weather. Look, my inside weather. But, what does inside mean? Do you know it? Let's discover it. My inside weather is in my heart. Boom, boom. In my head and in my heart. Boom, boom. My inside weather is here, inside me. And the outside weather is the usual outside. Is the usual weather. Is outside in the street, and you can see it looking through the windows. It's easy to talk about the weather outside, but it's really difficult to talk about our inside weather. Sometimes it feels like people don't understand. Some days my mind is full of sunshine and rainbows. I feel like I can do anything. It's sunny outside inside me, and so I feel happy and cheerful. I sometimes wake up feeling like it's windy and wild in my head. I feel tired and grumpy. It's windy inside me. I feel tired and grumpy. On other days, my head is full of fog and clouds. It's hard to listen to what people are saying or to remember things. Oh, I forget it. Oh, it's cloudy and foggy inside me. I feel confused and inattentive. Sometimes the weather inside me doesn't match the weather outside. Some days I feel happy and cheerful inside me, but the outside weather it's raining. And other days it's sunny outside, but I feel tired and grumpy on me. Sometimes my inside weather doesn't match how I want to feel or how I think I should feel. Do you feel like that too? Is that okay? I asked to my granny, my old granny, my wise old granny, and she said to me, yes, of course it is. She said, the best thing to do when we feel like our inside weather is strange is to tell someone we love and talk about it, because they can give us very good pieces of advice. And look, here you got a picture of my granny and me. It's lovely with all the hearts flying around us, with the sun and with the rainbow. And now, do you want to know what's my inside weather? Ask me. What's your weather like today, teacher? What's the weather like today, teacher? It's sunny and full of rainbows because I am with you, and so I feel happy and full of love. And now it's time to review. I have prepared an activity for you via EducaPlay. Then you can do it, and don't forget to take a photo of your research activity and send me it. Okay? Don't forget it. I'm sure you will do very well. The activity consists on matching the weather and the feelings. Are you ready? Let's then do it. And this is all. Remember, and here and there, this is the end for the boy and the girl. And now, thanks for your attention, and I see you soon. Bye bye. I hope you liked my story. Bye.